folks, and welcome to another of my videos. Glorious weather, look at this, look at that sunshine. Tell you what though, it's cold, temperature is floating just above freezing point. Got some base layer gloves on and some winter gloves on, and it's still not enough. I don't know what it is with my fingers. Absolutely gorgeous morning, beautiful, and it's peaceful as ever here in the Lincolnshire wilds. Well, today this is my click and collect ride. I recently moved addresses and I ordered something from Amazon, and obviously it's gone to the wrong address. Just to climb up the off-road to go, and then I'm out to the wolds and onto the flat. Top of the off-road climb, Mansgate down there. I think I'm going to avoid Mansgate today though, just in case there's any black ice or something like that. I don't want to risk it. I'm instead going to head down what is meant to be the main road, but it's deserted today. I'm going to go down Whitegate into a case that way instead. It's probably true that a lot of vloggers wait for a lot of traffic to disappear before they start talking, but I'm not having to try hard today. It's very quiet. Jesus Christ, it's so quiet. Yeah, so now I'm going to I'm going to run off the northern part of the Lincolnshire wilds down into Caister, and then it's pretty much flat all the way to about Greetwell, that area. On my way through Howsham. I was just heading here, I just got up the hill. And despite it being Monday, there's a good chance, I guess, Clayton's Corners might be open. I'm going to try and resist going to the cafe. Brought along with me today a couple of bananas, 3 cereal bars. I've got no excuse just to keep on pedalling. So that's what I'm going to do, stay strong, ignore the whiff of sausage and bacon in the air. Just keep on going, Richard. You can do it, you can do it. Did it, kept on going, and it was open as well. So I'm just in Cadney, the other side of Howsham, just looking around me. It's a beautiful day today, there's hardly any wind at all. It's a great November day. Just thought I'd show you some new glasses I bought as well. I know somebody's asking about glasses in the comments. So these ones from Rock Brothers, I think it's less than £20, I didn't pay a lot. Came with 5 interchangeable lenses, so this one is for day. I've also brought along with me today, there's like a one with a yellow tint for night riding. So I think it's pretty good value for money, that £20 for a pair of sunglasses. Better than those Brighton ones I've been wearing for a while, because obviously I had to take those off at night time, and in the daytime they make everything seem so gloomy, which is not which is the last thing you want in this time of year anyway. It's pretty much halfway between here and, well, Kroll, where I'm going to be stopping at some point. On once I've done my click and collect on Thorn, I'm going to stop at Kroll, the caravan. Some coffee there, some instant coffee. Nothing wrong with a bit of instant coffee, so I'm going to enjoy that and have a bit of a break. Got Twigmore Woods behind me, heading down Home Road in the direction of Scunthorpe. Tell you what, these glasses are awesome. I forgot I had them on. They're polarised and anti-fog as well. I was just coming down the hill there, I was like, I've got my glasses on still. I'll tell you what, if I can find the link, I'll stick it down in the comments below. Well, I've arrived at the caravan because I'm going to jump onto the commuter bike. I'm going to go to Thorn and collect the parcel on that. I don't want to leave my cube unnecessarily outside the shop, so I'd rather do that with my commuter bike. So I'm going to leave this here for now. Just switch my Wahoo over, put a bottle on there, and go and pick it up. And then I'm going to come back, have a cup of coffee here, and see if I've got anything interesting in the cupboards to eat. No, really the only stuff I've got is tin stuff. Or I could open the Bockwurst sausages. Maybe. And I've got loads of beans because I could have some baked beans. Yummy. Oh, could have some tuna, but I've got no bread. I could always buy some buns or something while I'm in there. Oh, can I? Certainly noticed the difference in speed moving from bike to bike. For two reasons really. Obviously it's different geometry. It's not got any drop bars on it. The wind seems to have got up this side of Kroll, which kind of bodes well for the return journey home. You're probably asking yourself why I would go 117 kilometres to do an Amazon click and collect. What can be so important? Well, clearly it's bike related. Of course. You'll see what it is when I get back to the caravan later. I'll show you what it is. There's nothing terribly exciting, but it is at the same time. It is for me anyway. And it's a good reason to get out on the bike. Nearly a 200 kilometre ride. Just for a click and collect blunder. In fact, we've been last full week of November. I've actually decided to structure this week. So Monday to Friday I've got 5 different rides going on, all different lengths. I've got a Grand Fondo in there, I've got a 100 kilometre ride, a couple 50s, and another long distance ride on Thursday. I think I've got a 200 kilometre ride on Thursday. So those going to be cold. It's supposed to be wall-to-wall sunshine, pretty much like today. So I thought that was a good opportunity to get another long ride in midweek. Go, click and collect, done. Well folks, as you can see I'm inside now. It's a couple of days later actually. I want to just film a bit quickly to show you what I went all the way to Thorn to collect, and then we'll jump straight back into the video again. So what it was is these two pieces of a GoPro mount attachment. You take your selfie stick, in my case I've got one of these. So you stick one half in here, and this platform here is a magnet inside. So what you do, you just connect that as up normal there like that, and then the second part I've got one attached to the GoPro cage. So you literally drop it in, the magnets attach, and there it is, just like that. Imagine I'm riding along, got one of these, and as I'm riding I can quickly go like that, drop it into there, and go like that again. Normally you have to get off the bike. I was actually practicing it on the way back. So what I'll do, if you want this, I'll pop a link down below the video. You also get this piece here, and this is for like a tripod or a mobile phone selfie stick as well. Just making my way up and through Twigmore Woods now to the crossroads at Greetham. It's not Greetham, is it? Greetwell. Greetham is near Lincoln. Great well. And this will be it for hills until I get the other side of Howsham and I start to go across the Lincolnshire Wolds a little bit. I think I've decided which way I'm going. I'm going to get to Howsham, turn left. There's a fast descent towards a level crossing where I think it's called out Ormsey, something like that, near Graspy. Go up that way up, and from there drop down into Great Limber. Big thanks to everybody who took part in the recent poll. I was asking where you thought to have any branded merchandise. It was like the overwhelming majority of people said no, so I was going to run with that, except I've got to turn it on its head a little bit. What I'm going to do, because my channel is mostly about long distance stuff and old axes, is I'm going to do some branded stuff along that sort of path, the old axe sort of thing. Come up with a few designs, see if you're interested at all. I'll let you know in a future video. What a beautiful sunset this evening. Right, well, now that I'm coming to the end of the video, I'm going to say some goodbyes. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Any questions, you know what to do. Stick them down below. Final week of lockdown. Final complete week of lockdown. What have you got planned? Hope you've got plenty of time spent on the bike. Hope you made the most of this final lockdown week. Whether it's out on your bike, spending time with the family, doing some DIY. If your name's Dan. I'm going to get my head down now for these final few hills. From me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.